this. Let's have a little taste. Oh, hot. Lemony. Delicious. Welcome back once again to howtocookgreatfood.com. If you haven't already, please click that button and subscribe to our channel. Also, please take time to click that bell icon just below. On the menu today, as you can see here, we're going to do a lemon garlic chicken. It's very, very, very simple to do and taste delicious. Let's go and do it. Okay, let's get straight into this one. So there's our chicken. There's my lovely gloves. Now that chicken is a 1 kg chicken, which I've spatchcocked. If you don't know how to do that, there's a video, I'll stick the link at the end. But basically what I've done is I've cut the backbone out of it there. You just, like that much, like 2 fingers down, open it out, and that's what you've got, a butterflied or a spatchcocked chicken. What we're going to do here is we're going to get some lovely flavours onto it. So I'm going to start off with 1/4 cup of olive oil, 1 cup of lemon juice, some salt and pepper, in that goes, 2 teaspoons of turmeric, it's going to give it a really lovely colour and flavour, and 1 teaspoon of, I'm using a sweet paprika. You could be changing this to something else if you wanted. And regarding paprika, there's usually 3 types of paprika. There's sweet, which I'm using, hot, which is pretty much chili powder, just really spicy, and smoked. Maybe some smoked on this would actually be really delicious. Okay, and then garlic. I've got some minced garlic there. There's 1 tablespoon of garlic, finely chopped. And we're going to drop that in. And simply what I'm going to do is I'm going to just sort of massage this around, get it in all over, mix it up, and then we're going to get it onto the stove top, and we're going to cook this in a pan. So if you wanted, you could shrink wrap that, plastic wrap it, or cling film it, get that in the fridge and leave it overnight, or 8 hours or something, or a few hours, and it'll be really lovely. And like I say, you can play around with the spices. This is the 2 that I used, was the turmeric and the paprika, but think of other stuff, cumin, rosemary, just go anywhere you want, a bit of curry powder if you fancied it. So what we're going to do simply is we're going to get to the cooker, get this on the pan. It's going to be absolutely delicious. Okay, so I've got a large frying pan here, or enough to take the chicken. I'm going to lift this up and simply drop it in. Now we're on a low heat, not simmer, but just above a simmer. We don't want to be cooking this fast because it will just burn on the outside and not cook on the inside. We have a lot of the marination there. Now we're going to be adding that. But what's very important is, because that's had raw chicken on it, you need to add that marination in the first half of the cooking. So this is going to take about 25-30 minutes maybe, because like I say, we're on a nice low heat and we're going to be turning it often. So in the first 10 minutes I need to be adding all that marination. After that, don't add it, because you're adding basically raw chicken to the cooked chicken. We'll be flipping it a few times, so easy. Okay, so that's the last of my marination in there. We're about halfway through now. I'm going to cook it for about, like I say, another sort of 10 or so minutes. Then we'll check it. We're going to stick a lid on it to get, and then boost the heat. Okay, so she's been going like 25 minutes now. What we're going to do now is add more lemon to it. I've got another cup of lemon. I'm going to get a lid on. I'm going to increase the heat just a little bit, just a tiny amount. I'm going to go for about another 10 minutes. That should be enough for this size chicken. Okay, and there you go. You've got a really beautiful, succulent, very lemony and garlic chicken. Super easy. Hope you enjoyed that. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel. We'll see you soon. Lots of love.